DBM III Student News. I'll be your host, David McAllister III. Today we'll be telling you why DBM is the best element and also how scientists make new elements and if it is right for them to play with nature and make these new elements. Now let's take a look at why DBM is the best element. Here's Maisie with the facts.
Hello, here's the facts about DBM. The symbol is Db. It has an atomic number of 105. The mass of the most stable isotope is 262 atomic units. It gets its name from Dubna, Russia. It is a synthetic element created in 1967. It is a radioactive element. It is only used for research. Dubnium is solid at room temperature. It has a half-life of 5.6 hours. I think this clearly makes DBM the best element. Back to you, Blaine.
Now that we've shown you why DBM is the best element, let's see how scientists make new elements and if it is right for them to do so. Leah Mafucci on the subject.
Hello. Scientists need very special machines to make new atoms. Those machines are called nuclear reactors and particle accelerators. They actually make the new elements by adding and removing particles from the nucleus. Most of the man-made elements are made by shooting alpha particles, which contain 2 protons and 2 neutrons, at heavy elements to create elements with an atomic number greater than 93. They construct them one atom at a time. The big question is it right to do this? Back to you, Blaine.
Thank you, Leah. Now to David Blaine McAllister, the fourth, on the advantages and consequences of making new elements. To you, David. Hello, I'm David Blaine McAllister the fourth. And on behalf of everyone at this news station, I think that it is right for them to be able to make new elements. Scientists are basically doing the same thing nature does every day, but in small forms. When a star goes supernova, which is when it runs out of fuel, collapses, and explodes, it creates new elements. In fact, all elements above the atomic number 26 are made in a supernova. So scientists are basically doing the same things as supernovas. A consequence of making new elements is that you could accidentally trigger an uncontrolled chain reaction. The advantage of making new elements is that we get to find out more about the universe, and we might be able to make some elements that help us in our daily life. Since there is only a small consequence and a huge advantage, I think that we should keep on making new elements. Thank you for your time. Back to you, Blaine. Thank you, David. That concludes our show from today. From our news team, Maisie, Blaine, David Blaine McAllister IV, and Leah. Have a great day and see you next week. Goodbye.